Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share useful Excel shortcut keys you should know. Yes, Excel is the most powerful tool which is given from the Microsoft. In this video I would like to share the useful shortcut keys you should know for your work or any other purposes. Let me show the demonstration on that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, this is my Excel workbook. So if you want to create new sheets, you can create new sheets. So I have given sample student mark sheet as well as the expenses of company budget, everything I have mentioned here. So now I would like to share the shortcut keys, that is useful shortcut keys for your workplaces. For example, anyone working with Excel, anyone attend the interview, you should know about the Excel shortcut keys so that you can able to run your business as well as run your job clearly. So the first one is the most important easy shortcut key. If my totals are there, so for example, so this is my amount and EB, telephone and purchase, general expenses. I want to make a sum with a shortcut. I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to select and I want to make a sum option, that is calculation. So how to total that option? So on top, just click and press shift key and select down arrow. Automatically amount will be selected. So where the column you selected, automatically that will be select over here. So now the shortcut key I'm going to reveal you. Alt plus button, just press the plus button. Automatically within a second your amount will be calculated over here. So it is a beautiful option. So for example, if I have the number, so I want to calculate these two numbers, I just select shift and I would like to select the column. So once I select the column, press alt and plus button. So automatically that calculation, that sum option will be added here. So this is a beautiful option. So you have to know about this shortcut. The second shortcut, for example, this amount I would like to have some comma or rate, the range, how many rupees, like that. So I want to change the format option. So on select the cell, which cell you want to have the cell formatting, just press the cell and control 1. Once you press control 1, automatically format cell will be open here. So you can able to select here some number or anything, whatever you want you can choose. For example, decimal place you want, or you want currency, or you want accounting and date, whatever you want you can choose. For example, I just select the number option. I just select 1234.2 decimal point. I can add means, so I can able to see the amount. So 19,858 rupees the amount will be displayed over here. So this is a beautiful option what I have showed you. Yes, so now I would like to multiply. So how to multiply the two option? For example, 3 into 8, I want to multiply that. So how it is a shortcut key, useful shortcut key I would like to share. Just equal to in your keyboard and just press left hand side arrow. Once you select left hand side arrow, automatically that cell will be selected. Again, just press into, that is multiply button in your keyboard, and just select one more cell. So left hand side, because my cell is left hand side, I just select and enter means automatically. So without any mouse point you can able to create your shortcuts, that is you can able to calculate easily, so with your keyboard itself. For example, so I just add or multiply something else. I just want to multiply these values. I just go to equal to, just press equal to, and which side your arrow, just press the arrow option. So your left and right top you have, and press into button, that is multiply button in your keyboard, and just select which one you want to multiply. Just select and press enter. Automatically you will get an option. So this is a beautiful option. So if you want to use the same thing like a minus, that is subtraction, you want means just equal to on top and minus, and just select this option and press enter. So automatically it will be minus. So subtraction is working properly, as well as equal to division. For example, this and divided by, so divided option, as well as I just added this option, so it will be divide and show you. So this is beautiful key which is easy to access the formula option. So you don't go to some average or any other platform, just press in your keyboard itself, you can able to get your shortcuts. Yes, so now I would like to calculate the total, overall total I would like to calculate. Just select this option. So shift down arrow, shift right arrow, and shift right arrow. I have selected the area. So these totals, that is mark 1, mark 2, I need a total. So alt plus plus button, automatically everything will be total. So this is a shortcut key which is easy to access. Yes, so now I would like to add one more shortcut key. For example, so this is a top marks, so which is 165 and 145, 133, that is a mark. So I want to add some format option, so I just give the color. So this color 144, which are the 144 total marks, I want to place the same color. So just select the option, just press F4. So once you press F4 in your keyboard, whatever you did on previous, that automatically that formatting will be applied in the next cell. For example, I just select this option, I just press F4 key, automatically that color will be stored here. For example, I just have the bold, so just select bold option. So this is a bold, so I want to make bold about my total or anything else. I just select and use F4, so automatically my cells will be stored in like that. So it is a easy format, you can use that. So I just want to merge the cell, so the next option is merge cell. For example, ABC International, I just have this ABC International School, I want to merge the cell. So similarly, students mark sheet, similarly I want to merge the cell. I just select first, whatever you want to do, you just select the cell and press Alt key. Once you press Alt key, automatically your shortcuts will be displayed over here. On the top you will find option called Home, Insert. Each and every menus you can go by the shortcut key itself. I just want to go to Home, I just press H. So once you press H, automatically if you want to use merge cell, just press M, automatically you will get M. Yes, merge cell will be working properly. I want to make a center of this, just press Alt and H, and you want to make a center AC, automatically it will be center. So it is a beautiful option, you can understand. So whatever your HR asking, whatever your examination questions, you can use a practical knowledge with Excel, means you can use fastly work, means you can get this kind of shortcut keys. Yes, so now I would like to make a chart. So instant chart I want to create, means I just select the table, I just want to press one key to make a chart. How to make this chart? Just press Shift F11. Just press Shift F11, automatically my chart will be created. For example, I just go to this option, I want to create a chart, means just press Shift F11, automatically my chart will be created separately. Yes, so in the workbook itself, the sheet, the chart will be created. This is my student mark sheet, as well as this is my budget details. Everything will be displayed over here, so I can able to see the chart option. So this is a beautiful option, you can enter and you can access your shortcut keys. So most powerful shortcut keys Excel needs, you need to know about the shortcut keys. For example, if you want to access the menus, just select whatever you want, you can add. For example, just press Alt key, you will find a page layout. For example, I want to see the page layout, just press P, so automatically page layout will be displayed over here. So if you want to give orientation, so if you want to change orientation, colors, or whatever you want, you can choose. For example, I just want to choose the color TC, that is color will be applied over here. So you can choose a color, so whatever color you can apply to the theme. So this is a beautiful option, so wherever you want, you can just press Alt key, you can choose your home button, whatever shortcuts, so you can choose as shortcut keys and you can work. For example, I want to enter entire border, I want to put, me just press B. So you want to enter all borders, that is full border, means just press A, automatically full borders will be applied in my table. So it is a beautiful option, you know. So you just select the cells you want to give the background color, just press Alt key and just go to home button, you will get a H option, just press H, so you can choose a color. So whatever color you want, you can choose using your arrow key, so you can choose according to your need and press enter. So it's a beautiful option, you can get an idea. Excel will be easy, you should know the shortcut key. It is a smart way to you can get a shortcut key so that you can work fastly with your company target. So that is the main thing. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowX channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.